Good morning, everyone. So I woke up to my name plastered all over social media and I am surprised. A clear conscience, they say, fears no accusation. But my dear, when my reputation is at stake, I need to speak up. When you're in the public eye and you're being accused of something, especially something you didn't do, you're always advised not to talk, to ignore, and trust me, that is what a lot of people count on, to write nonsense. They count on you not speaking up, because when you speak up, you're being bullied. Oh, close your mouth, you did it. They have come out to debunk. Anyway, I am not one to be bullied when it comes to something I didn't do. Most times I see things written about me and I don't talk. I don't bother. But you see this one, I will not keep quiet. I will not, because I have a right to what I want my name to be associated with, and this clearly is not one of it. Let me tell you something. Mistakes are a part of life. Everybody makes mistakes. I am not a saint. I have made my own share of mistakes. But you see, one mistake I will never make: sleeping with a man of God. God will judge me. Posterity will judge me. It is something I have never even thought of doing.